Chief Minister is hopeful that the coming new year will bring new hopes and aspirations. Textiles and Industries Minister Govindas Konthojam inaugurates a separate Directorate of Handloom and Textiles. People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja launches crowdfunding campaign and its website. Former Congress MLA of Tamai Z. Kikonbao Nyumai joins BJP. And Citizens Committee and non-Congress parties urge Governor to intervene to end economic blockade. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Priyoberta Sharma with the top stories that made news today. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today expressed the hope that the coming New Year 2017 will bring new hopes and aspirations to the people of Manipur. Extending his New Year greetings to the people of Manipur, today the Chief Minister said the year 2017 will be a fruitful and prosperous year. Wishing the people at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Okram Ibobi said the new year will bring the results of the relentless and continuous efforts of the government in the last year for the progress of the state. He also hoped that the new year will bring hopes to the hard-working students and youth of the state. The Chief Minister said his government hopes to bring development in the interior parts of the state. He reiterated that the people must be part of the changes that are taking place in the world. He appealed to the people to work towards the progress of the state.
Khatnaba yanadaba haibasidi ima amatana pokpa sinnausinggi maraktasu adum thoklibani ningsingba thoktraba matamdagi lamdam sida punna leiminaraklaba I marigi sinnau singi marakta warau pulaunaba leiramlabasu anauba sahi asidadi pa ipu singna sahi lising kaya ngaktuna thambiramba ikoigi ngamkhai nung sida hanagum wakhan phathaminaraga nungsi sanana leiminanaba hotnarasi aina apil taujari khoi masen nungsinana leiminaraba matamda malemgi sakti amatanasu ekhoigi mangnanaba sinba ngamloi nataduna amana amabu thajanadaduna aigi haiba wakhan na mang thaduna sangsinnarabadi punna waminaba punna lupminaba haibadu oigani.
Textiles, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthojam today inaugurated a separate Directorate of Handloom and Textiles. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Govindas said the government has opened a Handloom and Handicraft Museum to showcase the beautiful handicraft and handloom products of Manipur. He said under the leadership of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, new programs are being introduced in various departments of the state government. Govindas said Textiles, Commerce and Industry Department has also been divided into two directorates, namely Trade and Commerce and Textiles, Handloom and Handicrafts, to improve their functioning. State awards given by Textiles, Commerce and Industry Department were also presented on the occasion. Handicrafts Cluster Project under Ambedkar Hastshilp Vikas Yojan AHVY was also launched and State Handloom and Handicrafts Policy 2016 released.
Minister of Textiles, Commerce.
State sida leiriba yamna handicrafts sing si yamna nungai ai phana leiba oide ado ngasi hangiba museum si yengro matung dadi nungai ai phana leiba yanaba line koi puthok darkar tai sin haidi supna gi display tawa phajabasi utpana taba phajabasi so market tawse phajabasi supna gi yenghan banataba mapu so oihan darkar tai khoina mapu oihan na ba hona matamda commercial production tawba ngamna ba artisans sing sida akhoina yamna strong support government gi department sigi ai darkar tai.
People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja today launched crowdfunding campaign and its website. The crowdfunding campaign is in partnership with the Mumbai-based social and non-profit company Keto. As part of the campaign, Praja candidates will utilize the fund donated by the people in the upcoming assembly polls. Addressing media at the party's office at Thangmaiban Khomdram Selungbalikai, co-convener of Praja Irom Sharmila made an appeal against the practice of buying people's rights with cash. She also appealed to the candidates to do away with the thought of winning election with money power. She said, it is time to elect good candidates without the influence of money for a better society.
Maikai khudingmaktagi yangakpada lusingbagi magunjianba do aduna leipak ngai haiba wasi khoi handaki anauba regional party ama thore ibasitagi youth for change aina 10 for change vote for change haidana principle da yumpham oiba party si dagi haurasanu leipak se ngaklakpa matamda ikhoida pibiba power do miyamda muk transfer tawrang nabagi tanzani.
Convener of Praja, who is also contesting the assembly polls in Thangmaiban, Irendro Laichombam, appealed to all candidates from Thangmaiban to leave behind the habit of distributing cash during elections. He said the candidate of the constituency will be elected by the people and the candidates need to focus on the principles they stand for rather than accuse one another. Irendro asserted that politicians must have integrity and sincerity to serve the people.
Thangmaiban gi political situation asi angakpa moire Thangmaiban gi MLA Thangmaiban gi representative haibasi CM Ibobina decide tawudabna te Narendra Modi ji Sonia Gandhi na decide tawudabna te Thangmaiban gi MLA haiba Thangmaiban gi representative haibasi di Thangmaiban gi prajana decide tawbigadabni hauji aina haijaning budi negative oiba comment amana ama hunba haiba pochi toga isagi ideology isagi principle ki matang da khanan nainabuna hena phabra na khanjai.
Former Congress MLA of Tamai Z. Kikhonbao Nyumai, along with ADC member of Tamenglong, Pradhan and Gram Panchayat members of Lamsang, Sekmai, Hyanglam and Nauria Pakanglakpa joined the BJP today. They were given a reception at the party's office in Nityapa Chuthek this afternoon. Speaking on the occasion, BJP Manipur in charge Prahlad Singh Patel accused the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi of taking up developmental works around the election time to add pressure on the next government which will be formed by BJP. He further stated that people of Manipur are aware that the 15-year rule of Congress did not bring any development in the state except corruption. Prahlad Patel said it was proven in the recent ADC and council elections that the people are looking for a new and a changed Manipur. He said looking at the negligence by the Congress government for a long time, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari had recently announced a package of 22,000 crore rupees for the development of national highways, which is a lifeline for the state.
राज्य सरकार के साथ आप तुलना कर लीजिए तो आपको लगेगा कि आपने गवर्नेंस नहीं दी है, आपने मणिपुर के लोगों की चिंता नहीं की है। बल्कि मेरा आरोप है, उस दिन मैं नहीं कह पा रहा था लेकिन मैं दावे के साथ मैं कहता हूं कि जो स्कॉर्चिंग रिट्रीट पॉलिसी है उसको अडॉप्ट किया है इबोबी सिंह ने कि मैं तो हार ही रहा हूं लेकिन मणिपुर को ऐसा करके जाओ कि जीतने वाला भी इतने सालों तक परेशान रहे। ये मेरा आरोप है इस अवसर पर। और इसलिए वो तमाम लोग जो अपने आप को बुद्धिजीवी समझते हैं, जो समझते हैं कि वास्तव में मणिपुर का हित चाहते हैं, अरे जब तक कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा नहीं होगा ये वैल्यू एडिशन हो नहीं सकता।
President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khetrimium Bhavananda, alleged that the Congress, which is unable to end the 2-month-old economic blockade, is a weak government. He said the government, which was blaming the centre all this while for not intervening to resolve the blockade issue, is now silent after the Union Minister of State, Kiren Rijiju, clarified the centre's position in his visit to the state recently. Bhavananda expressed confidence that the BJP will win the upcoming assembly polls in a big way by looking at the work done by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Taking advantage of the event, MLA TH Biswajit clarified that there is no question of him resigning from BJP. He said to be in politics, one needs to be patient. There are no issues if impatient politicians walk away silently without creating any fuss. However, it is wrong to portray the party in bad light. Z. Kikhonbao Nyumai said he quit the Congress to go hand in hand with the BJP government in the centre to bring about development in the hill districts. He said there are still many areas in the hill that have not seen any development in the Congress rule.
Numit yang kai manga hele ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯈꯤꯒꯗꯔꯥ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯋꯤꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯁꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯝꯗꯐꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯊꯍꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯅꯤ
BJP sina tongan ba plan amasung vision thame heraga prime minister na luchingba government sina isoi dana ching tamgi manadaba chokha thurangda atei da leiba gap myam se soidana bridge tawbigani habisi thajaba mathame.
Citizens Committee Manipur, along with representatives of non-Congress parties, submitted a memorandum to the Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, urging her to take necessary actions to ease the pain of people of the state due to the economic blockade by the UNC. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, chairperson of the committee and former Chief Minister Radhabinod Koijam alleged that the state government does not understand the hardships of the people and that it has not taken any action to end the 2-month-old economic blockade. He said this proves that there is no governance in the state. He added that both the center and the state have huge responsibilities to end the economic blockade. Radhabinod said UNC is a branch of the NSNIM and the center should give strict instructions to them to end this blockade. He also blamed the state government for not calling an all-political party meet to resolve the issue. The former chief minister said, if necessary, the Citizens Committee Manipur and political parties will meet with the Prime Minister and officials concerned to demand an end to the blockade.
Dialogue is the only means. Democratic solution ID dialogue tong nabtabnina. Adugi lambidu yamna kanna thiribra yamna urgently thiribra so I could ubangdeba. Unadana, Launadana, Amaga counter labor matam nate. I call Punava Punsan Badarka lay, civil society group, Mayamna group, same mission to do, because Mayam Punjanji.
The 88th birth anniversary of Nomai Kakpam Sanajauba, who promoted investigative journalism in the state, was held today at Lamyan Bashanglen in Palace Ground. The observance was organized by NK Sanajauba Memorial Observation Committee. A discussion on Manipur media and the next assembly election was also held on the occasion. Veteran journalist A.K. Sanaton, Editors Guild Manipur President Ahung Sangmam Mobi, and Telegraph correspondent Kelen Thokchom spoke on the topic, while Irembam Arun moderated the discussion. The speakers said the journalists in the state are yet to do more investigative reporting. They also said the journalists should be able to write without fear about the activities of all the political parties.
Defection to politics. Ideology of principle to be, but on the labor of one labor of the luxury, Delhi Sakar, any Congress, Marukumang, the high media, I other media reporting the way the detail, the Nainavada, analysis of the command, is there opinion is happy. Maduma, we hold a you will be Sakana Sahitrama, Panapagi, assessment around home. I never was in a sea about that. But when they found a place to measure boxes in now, I television pop using now. You will be Sakana for even assessment in the Kari no in a highlight or Matunda, but who analyze the wise. I not cannot out of Vanara. Masih Padilla Tokyo, Masih Kali, and Padilla Tokri, Masimat Tahuni.
The memorial lecture was today organized by Oja Sanajauba Memorial Trust on the 71st birth anniversary of Professor N. Sanajauba in the Court Hall of Manipur University. Malcolm Guy from International League of People's Struggle, headquarters Netherlands, and Felix Randy Jr. Paraguay Malayao from International League of People's Struggle Philippines chapter were the guest speakers at the event held on the theme Intensify Global Crisis and Conflict. Managing Trustee of Oja Sanajauba Memorial Trust S. Bhubol said the lecture is organized every year on the issues of different countries in honor to the work carried out by Professor N. Sanajauba.
Conflict zone area, Hiram Kringmakta, Ikuna, Yamna, Turmoil, unrest of the river, when you unite, Sisu, Kuyu Riba, Mayam Singasi, no solution, number like the Viadana solution, Burunava, Ikumayami title, like Maramadana, Haiba. A quick issues in Mayam Nainava, Sida Malim, given a positive scenario, Mayam Singasi, update over, ama sangi global conflicts and the crisis mayam si origin mayam sing asisu aduga project lairiba present situation asi ekhoina asigi sim lecture program sida naina minagani iramdam gi lairiba the conflict and misunderstanding or any kind of unwanted situations and unrest mayam si ekhoina solution porna bai bonabagi pandamdani ekhoina memory lecture ama sinjabachi.
Mapithel Dam Multipurpose Project Displaced Villagers Committee has alleged that despite promises made by the government to provide jobs to the villagers affected by Mapithel Dam and after having made to attend the interview for jobs at Irrigation and Flood Control Department, the jobs have been given to relatives of the minister and officials. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club today, Vice President of the committee, Ningangam Kashung, said an agreement was signed with the Manipur government in 1993 for a resettlement and job opportunities of the villagers. IFCD had notified for 137 vacant posts on August 24th, and 11 persons from the affected village were allowed to appear for the interview. However, when the results were declared, none of them were selected. Ningangam expressed unhappiness and demanded the government to cancel the order and reconduct the interview. He warned of intense agitations if the demands are not met.
Government of Manipur na good youth kre mantri singi imungak the hape affected village committee gi mi kana su yaudre aduna aikoi na hujik hairi bade aikoi athuba manungda DBC se cancel to bama review to bama natraga happy bama tawdragadi aikoi na Delhi da challaga wakat bama natraga kappa numirama thithoga area segi imung angang macha mayam puraga kappa numit ama organize tawningi.
Development and Resource Mobilization Awang Potsambam Women Wing organized a one-day discussion program on the upcoming assembly election for Hengang constituency at Awang Potsambam today. President of BJP Hengang Mandal C.H. Iboyaima and Executive Member of BJP Manipur Pradesh P. Sharachandra also took part in the program. P. Sharachandra said people of Hengang are facing lots of hardships and that the canals in the fields are in deplorable condition compared to other constituencies. He appealed to the people of Hengang to elect a candidate who does politics on the basis of development and not to vote for someone who makes false promises and is only concerned about personal gains. Wankai Block Congress Committee, Ward number 21, today presented blankets to elderly persons who are 70 years and above living in Ward number 21. Okram Henry, who is in the Congress aspiring candidate, distributed the blankets at Nomibung Eastern Students Club Multipurpose Hall. And it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Sunflower Play School Chimanong Konani Karak admission open for 2017 for daycare, pre-nursery, nursery KG, monthly fee for daycare rupees 550 per month, monthly fee for pre-nursery, nursery rupees 400 per month, monthly fee pre-nursery, nursery plus daycare rupees 600 per month. CCTV camera are present in all the rooms. Post vacancy 2 teacher, 1 mother. Date of interview 9 January 2017. Section start from 6 February 2017. Van service available.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Unidentified miscreants today planted a Chinese hand grenade at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS. The bomb was discovered near the staircase of surgical ward this morning around 10. A police bomb squad safely removed the grenade and exploded it at Lumfel dumping site around 11:50 am. No organization has claimed responsibility for the act. RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor A. Amuba termed the incident as unfortunate and appealed to all concerned not to repeat such act in the future. The Junior Red Cross team of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch won the overall team champion in the National Youth Exchange Program. The program was held at Sacred Heart School, Punjab from December 21st to 28th. Awards were presented to the toppers and subject toppers in the high school leaving certificate examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur at DM College Multipurpose Hall. Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar Singh today released Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan calendar for the year 2017 at a simple function held in the Minister's office chamber in South Block Secretariat. Commissioner of Education S.M. Lakshmi Kumar also attended the event. International Handicap Welfare Mission Manipur strongly condemned the recent planting of bomb at the office of local daily Pandam on December 26th. Yumbi, an apex body of the youth in Nauria Pakanglakpa, organized a year-end event at Mekola today. Taking part in the event, education activist Dr. Soraisham Manauton wished people for a free and peaceful education in the new year. The national awardee also appealed for a non-communal society to bring about development in the state.
2017 na lakpada khoi myamna taramna ominasi amadi yamna tangdu leitaba kanglu masen nungsinaba yamna amaga respect tawnaba amasung development ki maikaida yamna khumang saushinna changsinba yamna energetic oiba manipur ma asa tawsi.
People of Maijrao dug up Fadabi Road, which connects Nambol and Hyangthang, in protest against the deplorable condition of this road. The protesters said they had requested the authorities concerned many a times in the past to repair this stretch of the road. Manipur Labour Union has requested the Directorate of Economics and Statistics Department to include the prices of fuel and essential commodities during the time of economic blockade in their annual report. In a press release, the union said India and the world need to know the hardships faced by the people of Manipur. The Giving Tree Sangaipura will organize 2 art exhibitions, Angang Nawa and Self-Intimacy. Spokesperson of the Giving Tree, T.K. Kuman, today told the media at DIPR New Complex Keshampad that the art exhibition will be held in 2 categories at its office at Sangaipuro. The solo exhibition by Laishram Meena Devi named Angang Nawa will be held on January 2nd and 3rd from 4 p.m. onwards. Self-Intimacy, the solo art by Thokchom Soni, on January 7th and 8th. The 2 artists said the paintings will be of childhood memories, real images of Manipur, various cultures, old and modern traditions of Manipur.
Manipur exists to It is Delhi Lay Mapancha Manipur Kang the Mimi Amle. Kanga Siki culture later, Hogi, the tribe more than 30 lane, Tuantunga Mamagi, texture Pirolo lady, do we Kang de, do just an exhibit of a hang photo. I didn't have explanation to it. A Hoi Manipur's mind, tribes, mine lay, smile lay, Pazava poto. But my am the law, Duga. Idea settles you. I know I experience like the leader camp to where Mapanda Pozil Tika.
Shumang Lila Ningtham Kumhai 2016, organized by Manipur Shumang Lila Council, will resume on January 2nd. The festival was suspended due to the present situation in the state. In a press release, the council said the festival will be held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen from 2 p.m. And now, news from the world of sports. Mairaba Polo Club and Nongchuppana Sagol Kangjai Lup A Langjing have entered the semi-finals of the 4th Running Trophy State Level Open Polo Tournament. In the first quarter-final played today, Mairaba Polo Club thrashed Eastern Sporting Club Nomaibung 7-3. Mairaba Polo Club's Devnath scored 4 goals, Romeo, Mocha and Ranjan scored 1 goal each. And the 3 goals from the losing team came from Robin, Pravin and Premchand. In the second quarter-final match, Nongchuppana Sagol Kangjai Lup A Langjing trounced LHFPRT Polo team 8-1. For the winning team, 6 goals came from P. Ojit and 2 from TH Kauba. TH Jacob scored the lone goal for the losers. The third and the fourth quarterfinal matches will be played on January 2nd. The tournament is organized by Nongchuppana Sagol Kangjai Lup at Langjing Achoba Sports Complex. A 3-month martial arts non-residential coaching camp 2017 for Thobal and Kaching districts will be held from January 23rd at Tekcham Martial Arts Academy. Lovers of martial arts from 5 to 40 years may join the camp. MC Chajing Awang Lekai beat SFC Naron Konjing Maya Lekai 3-2 in a league match of the 28th Langthabal Kendra football tournament today. In another league match, NSU Naran Konjil Mamang Lekai thrashed LSC Langthabal 3-0. Both the matches in the 8th M. Ravichandra Memorial Football Tournament played today ended in a draw. In the 11th League, Roger FC Shantipur drew the match against LLK Karam 1-1. Romario of Roger FC Shantipur scored in the 4th minute of the match. Kabiraj of LLK Karam scored the equalizer in the extra minute of the first half. And in a 12th League match, DCK Kiamgai drew the match against MFC Sekmai 2-2. Jolly and Shantanu of DCK Kiamgai scored in the 3rd and the 23rd minute of the match, while MFC Sekmai's Tension and Bipin scored in the 10th and 35th minute of the match respectively. The 13th and 14th league matches will be played on January 2nd. The tournament is organized by M. Ravichandra Trust at Kiamgai Ideal High School ground. And before we end, the headlines once again. Chief Minister is hopeful that the coming new year will bring new hopes and aspirations. Textiles and Industries Minister Govindas Kontojam inaugurates separate Directorate of Handloom and Textiles. People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja launches crowdfunding campaign and its website. Former Congress MLA of Tamai Zeki Thonbao Nyumai joins BJP. And Citizens Committee and non-Congress parties urge Governor to intervene to end economic blockade.